Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a friend request glitch on Fortnite. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, of course, load up your game, and then on the top left you should see a menu icon here, so you need to press on that, and then you need to go to this little gear icon on the left corner, and then you need to go to parental controls, and then you need to enter the pin here. And if you forgot the pin, you can basically press this button and the reset information will be sent to the email that you basically put to when you set up a parental controls pin. And here then you need to just turn on this mature content and require pin to add epic friends. Press save and then go back again here and press parental controls, enter the pin here and press next and turn off again and press save. And then when we try to add friends, as you can see here, for example, this one, and press accept, as you can see here, now it's perfectly working. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.